$1,650 rebate from Lennox and a tax credit up to $500. Call Adolph Bourdain today at 255-3859 to save some cash and get yourself a new printer. That's Adolph Bourdain, your comfort craftsman at 255-3859. Get ready for this winter and next summer and a whole lot of seasons to come. Lennox, innovation. That's so good. Lennox deals with consult your tax advisor for more information on your tax credit.
Cage-free. It's not just about chickens. Most of them end up as nuggets anyway. It's about personal freedom. So, who's looking out for cage-free humans? And what was your answer? Introducing HD Line. Design, build, fit, and personalize a Harley-Davidson motorcycle as unique as you. Go to h-d.com/HD1 or a dealer to get started. Build your bike, build your freedom. No cages.
Saturday, October 8th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. One day It's huge. Retail sale prices on these Harley-Davidsons ever stock with a real motorcycle starting as low as $2,500. This is a killer strider featuring killer badge, a solid market, plus no install on many premium Davidsons on this side. That's on sale as low as $499 for the current credit. This is vehicles from the Davidsons huge to the sale. This Saturday, October 8th from 9 to 5. Last days of Freeville South at Silver Road.
Hey, Bulldogs, that is a mistake everywhere you go. The Mississippi State University Eagle Check Card and Checks for Regions. Your Regions checking account gives you financial control and balance with features like online banking with bill pay, mobile banking with alerts, and Regions Cashback Rewards. Regions is a great sponsor of Bulldogs and the official bank of the SEC. Visit Regions.com/GoState for more information, or go to any Regions bank to get your Mississippi State check card and checks today. Regions, member FDIC. Terms, conditions, and fees may apply. Bob 1059's Facebook page is called